Today I'll be performing a repairability test assessment on this 3-tab shingle with wind damage. This is already creased and unsealed, so I'm going to use the snake tool and start unsealing the rest of the shingles for the repair attempt. Already loose. Loose. That one is loose as well. There's already material transfer on this shingle. So as you can see, there's mat transfer during this repair attempt. I'll get the top of the shingle as well. I'm sure you can see that. With this noted, to prevent from doing any further damage on this repair attempt, I'm going to stop the video and I will upload photos of the damage occurred.